Hey, Sophie here from Sophie Stitches, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this magic knot. This is really useful if you find you run out of a colour partway through a row in your project and you want to add in another skein of that colour and you want to do it so you can't actually see the join. So for today's tutorial I'm going to show you this with two different colours, but of course when actually using this you'll do it with the same colour wool. So if we imagine that one of these is the tail end of yarn that I have left over at my current row of my project, and then I want to add in another ball of that same colour. So first I'll start by laying them out like so. So you want to have one coming this direction and one coming in this direction. Taking the bottom strand first, we're going to wrap that just over the top, that top strand. Then you're going to bring it underneath itself. So we're going to take that strand and we're going to tuck that through like so, and then pull tight to make our first knot. Then, same again, so now I'm moving this lilac yarn to the bottom. So I'm again going to lay that over the top. I'm then going to bring that underneath both strands, so it's like so, and then I'm going to take that end and push it through that loop. Then pull tight, and there we have our two knots. Now all it's left to do, so we've got these are the two tails of our two colours. Taking these longer strands, we're then just going to pull on them, and then you see those two knots come together. And there we have our magic knot. Now you can also cut off these ends. So if I cut like so, you can cut off those ends and we have a very tight knot. You can also leave the ends and just sew them in, which is actually what I prefer to do. It's just an added level of security, but it is fine to just cut them off as well. And so there we have our magic knot. If you like this tutorial and you want to see more, then please do like and subscribe. And then until next time, happy crocheting, and I will see you very soon.